Too Crazy AI brings you today's curated AI industry news. Intel is in talks to acquire SambaNova chip company for up to $5 billion. An AI artist reaches Billboard radio chart for the first time, and Qwen3-VL enables local deployment. Let's dive into today's developments. Intel is in talks to acquire AI chip startup SambaNova Systems for up to $5 billion. This isn't just another acquisition. It's a strategic chess move under Intel's new CEO, Lip-Bu Tan, who actually serves as SambaNova's executive chairman. What makes SambaNova special? Their reconfigurable dataflow architecture chips can dynamically adapt to neural network structures, unlike traditional GPUs with fixed designs. This means better efficiency and lower power consumption. For Intel, this acquisition could be the missing piece in their AI puzzle, combining their CPU expertise with cutting-edge AI chips to build a complete ecosystem that can actually compete with NVIDIA and AMD. The talks are still early, but if successful, this could mark Intel's serious comeback in the AI hardware race. Exciting news for AI developers. Qwen3-VL, Alibaba's powerful vision language model series, now has full support in llama.cpp. This is huge. What does it mean? You can now run sophisticated multimodal AI models, ones that understand both images and text, on your own hardware, whether that's a MacBook, a Windows PC with an NVIDIA GPU, or even just a CPU. The implementation supports all major backends: Metal for Apple Silicon, CUDA for NVIDIA, Vulkan, and more. And here's what's impressive. From the initial feature request in September to merged code, it took just 2 weeks. The open source community moved fast. With models ranging from 2 billion to 235 billion parameters, developers can choose the right size for their use case and run it locally. No cloud, no API costs. That's democratization of AI technology in action. The music industry just witnessed a historic moment. Xania Monet, an entirely AI-created artist, has become the first to chart on Billboard's radio airplay rankings. Her song, How Was I Supposed to Know?, debuted at number 30 on the adult R&B airplay chart, but that's just the headline. Behind Xania is poet Talisha Jones, who used Suno AI to generate the music and AI tools to create the artist's entire persona. And here's the kicker. It's not just chart success. Xania Monet sparked a bidding war in the music industry, landing a multi-million-dollar record deal with Hallwood Media. With nearly 10 million streams and multiple chart entries, this proves AI isn't just experimenting with music, it's competing and winning. The question isn't if AI will change music, it's how fast can the industry adapt. Security just got an upgrade for Windows developers using AI coding agents. OpenAI's Codex CLI version 0.53 introduces an experimental file system and network sandbox specifically for Windows users. Why does this matter? When you're letting an AI agent write and execute code on your machine, you want safety guardrails. The new sandbox restricts file operations and reduces the number of approval prompts you need to authorize. But here's the catch. It's still experimental, and there's a significant limitation. It can't prevent writes to folders where Windows Everyone permission already allows modifications. OpenAI is asking the community to help test it, report failing commands, and identify issues. While macOS and Linux have had robust sandboxing for a while, Windows users finally have their alpha version. It's rough, but it's progress towards safer AI-assisted development. Here's an intriguing mystery from the AI coding world. Cursor's new Composer 1 model, touted as their first in-house AI, was caught thinking in Chinese, even when working in completely English environments. Developer Kenneth Ochenberg shared his experience. Mid-coding session, Composer's internal monologue switched to Chinese and wouldn't switch back. This sparked immediate speculation. Is Composer 1 actually built on a Chinese base model, possibly GLM 4.6? When pressed, Cursor researchers deflected, emphasizing their reinforcement learning techniques rather than addressing the base model question. Now, language switching happens in multilingual models, so this isn't definitive proof, but it raises important questions about transparency. When developers rely on AI tools daily, shouldn't we know their origins?
This isn't about nationalism, it's about understanding the technology powering our work. Cursor delivers impressive 4x speed improvements, but the provenance mystery persists.
Today's craziest question, Xania Monet, an entirely AI-created artist, has already hit the Billboard charts and signed a multi-million-dollar deal. If AI can do all this, what's the unique value that human musicians offer? Is it their irreplaceable creativity or their emotional resonance with listeners? What's your take? See you in the comments. 22 Crazy AI. Stay crazy tomorrow.